Module 5, Working with Documents. In this module, we will explore how to add, create, and edit documents in GCdocs. GCdocs can handle virtually any type of file. You will notice various icons next to an item's name. A light bulb icon indicates a newly created document. A circular arrow indicates a recently modified item. The little gray arrow is, of course, how we access the Functions menu. When a user is editing a document, it becomes reserved, indicated by an orange checkmark. Reserved items cannot be edited or changed until they become unreserved. Finally, a blue arrow indicates a shortcut. We will explore shortcuts in a later module. To the right of a document in the content window, you will notice 3 links: Open, Edit, and Download. These actions may seem similar, but it is important to understand the distinction. Open will open the document in read-only format, meaning you can view the document but cannot save any changes. Edit will reserve the document and open in edit mode. Now you can make and save changes to the document. Note that while reserved, no one else can edit the document, so it is important to close in order to unreserve once you are finished your work. Download will download a copy of the document to your desktop. Note that downloaded copies are no longer linked to GCdocs, and therefore any changes made will not affect the file in GCdocs. Video demonstration: creating a new document from the web application. Step 1. Click Add Item and choose Document. Step 2. Click the New Radio button and select an application from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Give your new document a title and a description. Step 4. If required, choose a classification from the drop-down menu. Step 5. If additional metadata is required, click Edit next to Categories and enter the appropriate information. Step 6. Click Add. MS Word will automatically open so you can begin authoring your new document. When you are finished, simply save and close. Your new document is now in GCdocs. Video demonstration: adding existing documents from the web application. Step 1. Click Add Item and choose Document. Step 2. Click the existing radio button and then click Browse to locate the file you wish to import. Step 3. GCdocs will auto-populate the document title. You can change it if you wish. Don't forget to also enter a description. Step 4. If required, choose a classification from the drop-down menu. Step 5. If additional metadata is required, click Edit next to Categories and enter the appropriate information. Step 6. Click Add. Your document is now in GCdocs. Video demonstration: saving a document from an MS Office application. Step 1. From inside the application, click File, Save As. Step 2. In the Save As options, click Enterprise Connect, and then click Browse. Step 3. A GCdocs window will open. Navigate down the folder structure to your desired location. Step 4. Change the title if desired, and then click Save. Your document is now in GCdocs. Video demonstration: adding files using drag and drop. Easily the best method for moving files to GCdocs is simply to select one or more files and drag them into the web interface. Your files are now in GCdocs. Please note that with this method you will not be prompted to enter metadata and will have to do it manually.